Installing a rear PCIe adapter and riser card. Note: in different configurations, the riser cage and riser card might look different, but the replacement procedure is the same. If you removed the riser card, reinstall it. Align the riser card with the riser cage and install it in the riser cage. Fasten the screws to secure riser card in place. Press the retainer clip downward. Open the PCIe adapter retention latch. Align the PCIe adapter with the PCIe slot on the riser card. Carefully press the PCIe adapter straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Close the retention latch. Note: there are different types of rear riser assembly, but the replacement procedure is the same. Lower the riser assembly into the chassis. Fasten the screw to secure the riser assembly. Connect riser card cables and PCIe adapter cables. Install the top cover.